National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until midnight at 10:56 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Geneva, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Juneau City, Silver Lake, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Kell Lake, Powers Lake, Boners Lake, Como, Eagle Lake, Salem, Burlington, Bristol, Kansasville, Bassett, and New Munster. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm